I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. If this video helps you, kindly give it a like, and a subscribe would be very generous of you. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Then, on the bottom right, you can see the Facebook menu with your picture on it. Click here. On the top left, you can see your profile picture and your name. By clicking on it, you can go to your profile. Here, you can see now your profile is on digital creator mode. If you click on it, you'll see that your professional mode is right now turned on. Go back to your profile to turn it off. How do you do it? Okay, you can see here's a 3-dot menu. Click on it. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that there's an option to turn your professional mode off. Click here. Facebook is warning you that review important changes before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode at any time. So that's not a problem. Hit the continue button to turn off your professional mode. I hope this video helps you. Would you be kind enough to give it a like? Thanks. Goodbye.